Listen to the engine start.
During the course of this 20-minute demonstration, each one of these function trucks will make its way through around about 20 pounds worth of fuel each. Like I said earlier, if you want to buy a mountain truck, you need to start with 4 tyres. Each one of these massive mountain truck tyres costs £3,000 each. Each one of those huge coil suspension units on the Grim Reaper, £6,000 each. Gearboxes, 3 grand, engines, 5 grand, the list goes on and on. As you can see, most of the trucks have got 4-wheel steering.
Yeah.
4-wheel steering. Very, very difficult to learn how to use. Most trucks have got automatic gearboxes, allowing the driver to keep one hand on the steering wheel and one hand on the rear steering switch. You steer the front wheel with your right hand, the rear wheel with your left hand. So, big big 7.5 tons. The Grim Reaper weighs in at 5 tons. In the drag race, the big truck is the smaller of the two, but when it comes to pushing cars, it does the most damage by far. Remember, when I ask you to make some noise, I will be watching, and I will follow you to the car. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when we go to push the car. The directing the function over the car is Peter with his arms in the air. He's working the steering wheel, you're working the throttle. Because the louder you drive, the higher they will fly. And the reason that Peter has the guys over the car is because you have no idea where those cars are. Okay, we'll go to the drivers, ladies and gentlemen. Remember what I said. A nice loud countdown. 3, 2, 1, when you say 1, they will go. The drag race is the gearboxes, the shifting, the first, the second, the third, and exactly
race between both of them down here.
Maximum pressure of 178.
I can't.
Okay. Nice and loud so the drivers can hear you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
What's the red one?
Okay. Little test drive over and done with. And now, as we get the truck back into position, get your cameras ready, people, because this is funny. If this goes to plan, you're going to see one.
Oh, it's just a wall.
Come a little 4K. Get this in hard. Okay. So, Christopher's gonna watch me, Sam's gonna watch Peter. Peter's here is the man in charge. Everybody around this arena, do you want to see the little car die? Do you better than that? I've seen my life in a travel mess. Do you want to see some damage? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes! Oh yeah! Yeah, you know what I was saying.
Oh, I'm just living here. Ah! Oh my god! Say goodbye to your favorite car. Your baby's gone. Oh.
Oh, sound like you were all out here. That's the parents, kid.
I want to see that. Oh, that was awesome. I've got the pound in the back. Oh my god. Oh, your baby's dead. Sarah's going.
You already done these.
Fancy doing that?
Just do the my face.
You like that, man?